Hello, and thank you for watching the Kempler design vlog. Again, angle top windows. They are in a lot of homes anymore, and we're getting calls almost every day saying, can you help us do these? And absolutely we can. And I just want to, again, show you how they work. There's a couple of things that I wanted to go over on this one that are going to be different from some of the other videos. But basically, again, using the remote control, we're going to hit open, and we'll notice that all four shades are going to be going up to the top. I'll get out of the way. So I said that I wanted to talk about something that's a little different. So here we're going to walk over and take a look. And I want you to notice that up at the top here, it's a couple of things. Number one, you'll notice that there is a little gap where the valance and the end of the shade are. Now we did that on purpose because overall, when the client, and you can really see it right here, the gap there and there, that was done intentionally. Why? Because on this window, and I'll just close it. On this window, they wanted to maximize the view. And so by putting a larger valance there, it was going to block more of the light, more of the view all the time. So they made the choice. They said, let's go ahead and do it this way. And I actually acknowledge their choice. I think it was a really good one. And there are some other things as well. For example, we used lithium-ion rechargeable batteries. And those are going to be a great choice for them because they never have to change out a battery pack. Just plug in a charger. For this house, 1 to 2 years. Every 1 to 2 years. And that's it. And my running joke is that because lithium-ion batteries have a limit of about 500 charges, they're only going to be able to use these shades for like 500 to 1,000 years. Though that's not the warranty. Anyway, thank you very much for watching the Kempler design vlog. And we look forward to assisting you if you'd like help with your angle top windows.